Hey guys, today video I am going to show you how to install NGROK on Kali Linux machine. Follow the steps for perfect installation, so let's get started. Open Firefox and sign up NGROK.
I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my CEO. The master of my CEO.
Website. In this case I already have an account. Download NGROK zip files according to your architecture, and copy it to desktop.
From the pain, taking my message. From the veins, speaking my lesson. From the brain, seeing the beauty through the send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove.
Open terminal, follow me. Type sudo su and enter your password. Change location to desktop.
I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. My love, my God, they keep writing my poems for the few that looked at me, talked to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message. From the veins, speaking my lesson. From the brain, seeing the beauty through the
You need to give permission to NGROK to do that. Type chmod +x NGROK.